Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing fractals, okay, a fractal trading strategy. We're going to be looking at how to use the fractal trading strategy to improve your market timing. We're going to be looking at how the fractals work, basically. So for a start, let us add on the fractals to our chart. You go to Insert, Indicators, Bill Williams, Fractals. Okay, you can select the color that you want. You can just leave it at default. Select the thickness of the line, okay, and click on OK. Visualization, you can just leave that the way it is, but if you want it to be on specific time frames, you can select the ones you want. Okay, now this is the fractals. So fractals are recurring patterns that show market turning points. As we can see, that after fractals formed, they showed potential turning points of the assets. You can see, after the formation of this fractal, the market turned. Here again it turned, here again it turned, like that, turns. So basically, they show turning points, okay? For bullish fractals, it occurs when a low forms. When a low forms, we have a bullish fractal, such as this. These are bullish fractals, okay? When a low forms in the middle of two higher lows, okay? For example, we can see that we have a higher low here, a higher low here, this is a low, so we have a fractal. You can see we have a fractal. So for a bearish fractal, it occurs when a high forms in the middle of two lower highs. For example, you can see here and here. You can see in the case of this, you can see here and here. So basically, the fractals indicator are already showing us the turning points, so we don't have to do the individual calculation by ourselves. All right, now fractals help traders spot areas where the price could reverse. So if you want to use the fractals to trade, whenever the fractals form, you can enter, if it forms above, you can enter a sell trade, set your stop loss above the nearest swing high. You might want to use a tight stop loss. Your take profit could be at the showing up of the bullish fractal. When a bullish fractal shows up, it could be a sign to exit your sell trade. When you are in a buy trade after a bullish fractal forms, showing up of a bearish fractal indicates for you to exit your buy trade. Okay, so basically that is how it works, right? When you want to apply the fractals, you should also try as much as possible to use proper risk management. Okay, irrespective of the strategy you are using, proper risk management is key. Okay, and then you might want to combine it with trend lines, so that for additional confirmation, so that when a fractal forms, you can see this fractal forms around the time when price hits this trend line. So just adding to the confirmation, this one again, same thing happened. And then using of support and resistance levels is also very important. You can see these fractals formed around this resistance level, further boosting the signal that this sell is valid. Okay, so it's important to use support and resistance levels, trend lines, to confirm the signals given by the fractals. Okay, make sure to always set your stop losses appropriately. For a sell above the swing high, for a buy above the swing low. Okay, and then for take profit, you can target the nearest resistance for a buy or the nearest support for a sell, or you can just use the opposing signal from the fractals. For example, when you are in a buy trade, a bearish fractal is a signal to exit your buy. When you are in a sell trade, a bullish fractal is a signal to exit your sell. Okay, so basically that is how it works. You can use the fractals on any time frame of your choice, depending on the kind of trader you are, whether you are a scalper, a day trader, a swing trader. You can be able to use the fractals effectively. Moreover, you can also add on other indicators for additional confirmation. You can decide to add on stochastics, for example, just for extra confirmation. For example, here when the fractals form, you can see the stochastics are already on the oversold level and pointing upwards, further adding to the bullish signal. It's a confirmation, right? You can see again around here, same thing, oversold, pointing upwards, fractal formed, bullish fractal, buy signal. Okay, around here we can see bearish fractal, overbought, stochastics pointing downwards, confirmation of the bear signal. We could enter a sell, exit at support level, or formation of the bullish fractal. At the same time, stochastics was holding oversold, so we could have exited our sell trade. Okay, so that is it for the fractal strategy. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you will get more trading videos. You will get notified of more trading videos so that you will not miss out on more trading insights. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Cheers and happy trading.